Good morning, class. In today's English class, we will revise about nouns gender. Now, in our previous sessions, we have already covered that there are 4 types of gender: masculine, feminine, neuter, and common. Now, to start with masculine gender is that category of noun that represents male. Feminine is that category of noun that represents female. Neuter, it is used for all the non-living things. And common gender is used for those nouns that belong to either female or male category. Now, to have more clear picture of these genders, let's look at some examples. Now, examples of masculine gender like boy, man, bull, lion, waiter. Now, all these nouns, they represent male. So, they belong to masculine gender. And if you remember, I already told you that easiest way to remember is masculine gender, M for male and M for masculine. So all the male category will belong to masculine gender. Now next is the examples of feminine gender. Girl, grandmother, waitress, lioness, queen. Now all these nouns are telling you about the female category. So they belong to feminine gender. And the way to remember feminine gender is F for female and F for feminine. Next we move to common gender. Teacher, doctor, lawyer, employee, politician. Now in the picture also you can see that there is a female doctor and next to her is standing male doctor. So sometimes you must have seen that your mother visits female doctor and maybe you or your father visits male doctor. Similarly, in our school, you can see we are having few sirs and we are having few female teachers. So teacher is a common gender. Lawyer, a lawyer can be male, a lawyer can be female. So lawyer is also a common gender. Let's move to employee. Now what are employees or who are employees? Employees are the people who are working with an organization. Like our school is an organization and there are so many workers in school. Few are female, few are male. So employee is a common gender. Politician. If you know about our Indian politics, then there are so many leaders in our Indian politics who are male and few are female also. So politician is also a common gender. So in common gender, those nouns will come which can be either male or female. Next is neuter gender. Neuter gender, as already told, is used for non-living things. N for non-living, N for neuter. Like ball, box, table, phone, television. Now all these are non-living. Like seeing a mobile, you cannot decide that mobile is female or male. Or when you watch television, are you able to decide that my television is male and my television is female? No. So the words or the nouns in which you cannot decide that they belong to which gender and they are non-living, they will be the examples of neuter gender. Now, based on whatever we have revised now, we will be doing worksheet 2. Worksheet 1 we have already completed in our previous class. Now in worksheet 2, what are you supposed to do? First question says, classify the following gender nouns into different types and color masculine as blue, feminine as pink, common as yellow, neuter as green. So, as you can see in the picture, there is a table and that table is having so many nouns written in various boxes. So you have to just go through these nouns, and if a noun belongs to a neuter family, color it with green. And if it is of common category, color it with yellow. If it is of feminine category, color it with pink. And if the noun represents masculine gender, color it with blue. For example, let's take few like cup. Now cup is a non-living thing, so it will belong to category neuter. So you will write cup, you will draw this table in your notebooks and then you will shade the cup with green. Chair. Chair is also a non-living, so you will color that box with green. Queen. Queen is feminine, so you will color that box with pink. If we take bird, now bird can be male or bird can be female, so it will belong to common gender and you will color it with yellow. So similarly, what you are supposed to do, you have to identify the genders and accordingly you have to color them. Now in the next exercise, match the masculine and feminine. There are two columns and in both the columns few are feminine and one side there are masculine. You just have to match them. Like gentleman, it will be lady. Rooster or cock, hen. Dog, bitch. Similarly, you have to find the feminine of landlord, drake, groom, nephew and waiter and complete the exercise in your English grammar notebooks. Thank you.